Hi and welcome to Cebuano News. From animation to reality. Cebu Sinulog 2023. This video is inspired by Carlisle Tabanera, who uploaded a Game of Thrones Sinulog edition that went viral online. The historic Fort San Pedro at Plaza Independencia. To the famous Magellan's Cross. Basilica Mino Rey del Santo Niño de Cebu, the home of the original and oldest religious relic in the Philippines in honor to the Holy Child Jesus. To the famous Rotunda at Fuentes Circle. Down to the White House-inspired Cebu province capital. And to the longest and the most iconic bridge in the Philippines, the Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway. What are your thoughts about this? Please don't forget to like, share and follow our page for more updates.